When people see a home sell in just a few days, often they don't see what happened behind the scenes. This home at 407 Ironwoods Drive was inherited after my client's parents lived here for 29 years. Like many homes, it was filled with a lifetime of memories and belongings. It took months just to empty the house and prepare for the next chapter. Before any cosmetic work began, we completed a pre-sale inspection and addressed the repairs. Then the transformation started. The hardwood floors were refinished, every wall, baseboard, built-in bookcase, and cabinet was painted, new carpet was installed, the garage was painted, and the floor finished with epoxy. The kitchen and bathrooms were thoughtfully updated with new quartz countertops, fixtures, lighting, sinks, hardware, and finishes selected to appeal to today's buyers. But preparing a home for the market is about much more than choosing finishes. It's knowing which improvements will generate a return and which won't. It's coordinating contractors, managing timelines, solving problems, and keeping dozens of moving parts on schedule. The final step was deep cleaning and staging. Furniture and accessories transformed empty rooms into inviting spaces that helped buyers emotionally connect with the home. Additional rooms were virtually staged online to maximize visual appeal. And then came one of the most important decisions of all: pricing. No amount of preparation can overcome poor pricing. Knowing the market, understanding buyer behavior, analyzing competing homes, and positioning a property correctly from day one is critical to achieving the best result. The home went under contract in just 4 days at full price. Results like this are built on 3 things: presentation, disclosure, and price. Presentation is creating a home buyers fall in love with. Disclosure is identifying and addressing issues before they become obstacles. Price is positioning the home where buyers see value and act quickly. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes months of preparation, deep market knowledge, design expertise, contractor relationships, strategic pricing, and a clear plan from start to finish. That's the work most people never see.